From thetraderguy.com, this is Chris Lewis taking a look at the euro dollar as we trade on Independence Day in the United States. You can see we are forming a third inverted hammer in a row. It's just about 11 o'clock in the morning in New York, which means we're about to drop off the face of the earth when it comes to liquidity. So this is basically what the daily candle should look like. That being said, let's take a look at a couple things because I think this sets up for a very interesting next potential move. You can see that we are currently at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. We're at the 50-day EMA, and we have formed 3 inverted hammers in a row. So what does that mean? That means that this jobs number candle, by the end of the day, could tell the story going forward. When I look at this chart, it's not really difficult to come up with the idea of a bottoming pattern. You can see that we have done this, and the question is now, is this one going to hold as well? If that's the case, this is a rounded bottom, essentially. It's a very grinding and slow turnaround. Now, in order to have that confirmed, at least for me, we need to break through these 3 inverted hammer tops. If there's anything that can do that, it'll be the jobs report. So that and the Federal Reserve looking to cut interest rates does possibly send this market up into this cluster again, just above 113.5, and then eventually making a move towards 115. However, and we always have to look at the alternate scenario, if we do break down from here and we get a rather negative daily close, then we're probably going to be looking towards 1.12, where we will have a bit of support. So with that in mind, I do believe that the Friday close is going to be crucial. And if it isn't, if we stay in the same little area, then probably the Monday close. The real question here is going to be whether or not there's going to be a lot of liquidity during the jobs report. You know, a lot of traders will just take off 4 or 5 days for the weekend here in the States. So that's going to make it a little bit different than per usual. But that being said, we are definitely setting up for a move of significance, and again, breaking the tops of these candlesticks for me would be a rather impressive statement. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and come see me at thetraderguy.com.